Oh, hello. I didn't see you come in there. Inanimate camera on a tripod. I'm losing it. You already knew that though. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Look at this stuff. That's things that are on the internet. Hold on, there's sirens. Anyway, you can use that stuff if you want to see more quality content like me stopping what I'm doing so you can hear sirens. Hello, pals. Welcome to another beater box because it's Friday and that's my whole thing. This box is from Sole Supremacy. Check them out. It's a good shop. This box was $900 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Wait, is that? Yeah, that's right. Sorry. For a grand total of $950. It's clearance. It's a counter. Let's open the box. Oh, this is the second to last box before we get married. This is next, the 9th. It's the second to last box before we get married. Ooh. Right?
That's not really like a milestone, is it?
Not really. All right, what's going on with this thing? Ugh. Oh no! There's a lot of loose shoes in here. Oh, that sucks hard. That sucks in a big way. I need some gloves because these are worn shoes. That's why I wear gloves. I don't wear gloves to look cool. I wear the gloves because some of the stuff that's on the bottoms of these shoes is pretty gross. And I don't want to put it on my hands. This might be a good box, but it's looking rough already just because of the amount of pairs that don't have boxes. They look like they're all size 11 though, so that's cool. And they look like all or mostly Jordans. All right, first pair, size US men's 11. Got a pair of, I think these are what, reverse MOTORSPORTS, right? Or something like that. They are worn. I said size 11. Looks like the paint is okay. Yeah, these aren't too old. These are from like 2017 or something, but no box. They are worn. You can see the outsole has some dirt. Not much wear though. There's 100% stars on the forefoot, no heel drag. So they just need to be cleaned up. Hopefully the rest of the shoes in this box are like that. No box, but a good size. Size 11 in any Jordan is always a plus. There's your first shoe out, size 11. Motorsport 4s. If you want to buy those, check out my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com or boosttojedi420.com. This is also a size 11. Got a pair of, what are these, Chicago 13s? They're size 11, they're worn. These look like, I think they're 2010 or 2011, something like that. You can see some wear on the bottoms. A little bit of creasing on the toe box. No jump man, that's all right. So these look about to be the same amount of wear as the other pair. So no complaints here. Just a little bit of discoloration from age because they are about 10 years old. So there you go. Cherry 13s or Chicago 13s or something like that. I don't know. Good colorway though, it's pretty OG, so. All right, yep. 2012 pair of Bred 4s. These also retroed 2019, 2018. So there is a lot of paint stuff going on here. You can see that, and on the medial side. But overall, that's really the only thing wrong with them. You can see the bottoms pretty clean, and there's very little star loss. So if you can deal with the Jumpman on the heel tab and some paint issues, this probably be a good pair. This one is, I didn't even say, but it's probably size 11 again. Yep, another size 11. Bred 4s from 2012, no box. Pretty good pair. This box isn't bad, it's just a shame there's no boxes. There's a pair of 7s in here. Probably another size 11. Size 11, yep. Very good colorway. These are the Cardinal 7s. These are the more recent one. They released in like 2006. I think these are like 2011 or something like that. But again, same condition. There is a little bit of a Jumpman still hanging out in there, but not much outsole wear. Just needs to clean up. I mean, these will clean up really nicely. All these worn pairs will. There's just no boxes, so I need to go buy 2.5 gallon plastic bags to put these in. So there you go, size 11. Looks like all these are gonna be size 11. All right, got a pair of 12s. Big shock, size 11. These are worn. I think these are Wolf Gray 12s. They're in the same condition. I mean, there is a Jumpman in there. A little bit of outsole wear, just some dirt. These don't seem to have much damage with the suede, so they should clean up really nicely. There's not really a lot of creasing on these either. And this is a really good colorway if you ask me. I think these will clean up really nicely and they will be good to go. So size 11, Wolf Gray 12s. I think Another size 11. Got a pair of 5s. These are Wolf Gray 5s now. They have this fully yellowed outsole because these are from 2000. I don't remember exactly, but this is a really, really great colorway. I have never had a problem moving these when I get a pair of them, even with their age and even with the discoloration issues that you see all over these. I've never seen a pair where the cages and the outsole are not discolored. So there is a full Jumpman in there. It does have lace locks. The upper seems to be in good shape, so can't complain. Again, just no box, so that's okay, I guess. Cool. Last pair without a box is another size 11, I'm assuming, yes. It's a Jordan 3, these are the Stealth 3s. This is a really, really underappreciated colorway if you ask me. I think the mixture of gray with this like really, really like almost patent leather looking midsole paint just looks really cool. Overall, the shoe is in okay shape. This is probably the most worn of all of them. You can see some of the star loss there on the forefoot on the left shoe. It seems to be heavier on the left shoe. The paint seems to be in okay shape. No more Jumpman on the insole. So these have a lot more wear compared to the other ones, but this is still, I mean, if you can't tell from the theme of this box, it's very gray and very OG, so can't complain about that. Another size 11. Stealth 3s this time. It's a good colorway. All right, we got 2 more in here. They're both Jordans. They do have boxes, and they are size 11. There's a 3 and what appears to be a 5 or a 6. I'm gonna grab the 5 first because I don't like 5s as much. Size 11 Jordan 5. Ugh, these things. These are worn very lately. It's the red suede, not to be confused with the Raging Bull 5s, because these are completely red. I mean, you can see red laces, red cages, fully red upper except for the tongue and the outsole. If you like red shoes, this is great for you, I guess, and you're a size 11, but I personally think these are ugly. I don't know why anyone would wear an all red shoe, but again, probably a pair I won't have trouble moving because it's a good size and people like red for whatever reason. So, size 11, red suede, Jordan 5s. One more. It looks like it's a Jordan 3. Looks like it's a 2011, 2012 era release. Jordan 3 Retro. Very cool. They are worn. They do have a couple paint issues, but these are the 2011, 2010 white cement 3s. One of the most classic releases. There's black cement and white cement, obviously, are the 2 most iconic 3s. This one is in desperate need for a retro, if you ask me. These are in pretty decent shape. There's a little bit of star loss on the forefoot, not much. A little bit of toe box creasing on the vamp. The insole does have no more Jumpman. Does not have Jumpman anymore. Is that a word? No. There's a good amount of paint issues going on here on the lateral side and on the medial side. But that's what happens when you have a shoe that's 10 years old and you wear them often. So can't complain about that. If you can do some light restoration, this is a great box, and you're a size 11. This is the first box I've ever gotten where every shoe is a size 11. But this is your last pair. White cement 3s from 2011. And that is your $950 Sole Supremacy Beater Box. Hey, if you're a size 11, cool. Let's see what the numbers say. Given the fact that they're all size 11 and they're all Jordan models that seem to do well in bigger sizes like that, I think this box is okay. You're not gonna hear me go on top of a mountain and yell that this is the best box ever because that happened 2 weeks ago. But this is a pretty solid box if you ask me. So I'm gonna clean them up and put them up on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website by going to sbmitch.com. Before that though, every single shoe, because they're all worn, every single shoe will be cleaned and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products. If you wanna save 10% on your Resjuvenator order, please use the promo code SBMitch10 at checkout. It'll save you 10% off your entire order. And they do free shipping. So it's not like 10% off of shipping, it's 10% off the order, which is cool. This shirt is from New York City if you're gonna ask. So that's neat. And I think that's really all I have for you today. So I'm gonna let you go. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Say hello in the comments. I will say hello back because I don't really have much else going on. So until next time, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.